For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a merchandise business can be a rewarding endeavor, especially when combining creativity with smart strategies. Whether you're selling printed t-shirts, branded accessories, or novelty items, the process has become more accessible thanks to free AI tools. These technologies can help streamline planning, design, marketing, and even customer service. In this guide, you'll learn step-by-step how to launch a merchandise business from scratch using only free AI resources and receive prompt suggestions to make the most out of each phase. Step 1. Define your merchandise niche and target audience. The first step in any merchandise business is determining what to sell and who to sell it to. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you brainstorm profitable niches based on current trends and personal interests. Use this prompt in ChatGPT. List 10 profitable merchandise niches for a new online store in 2025. Include niche descriptions and target demographics. Once you've chosen a niche, such as eco-friendly tote bags, anime-themed clothing, or custom mugs, refine your audience. You can ask, describe the target customer for a store that sells, insert your niche, including age, interests, and online behavior. This information will guide your branding, product design, and marketing efforts. Step 2. Create a business plan with AI. A structured business plan will help you stay focused and pitch your idea if needed. ChatGPT can help draft one quickly with a complete layout. Try this prompt. Write a business plan for a merchandise brand that sells, insert niche. Include an executive summary, mission statement, target market, marketing plan, operations, and financial projections. This AI-generated plan can be edited in Google Docs or Notion. Both platforms offer free templates for formatting if needed. Step 3. Design your merchandise using free AI tools. Design is central to merchandising. Free AI tools like Canva, with its free plan, and Ideogram.ai or Microsoft Designer can help you generate high-quality, customized visuals. For text-based design generation, use ChatGPT with this prompt. Give me 10 creative t-shirt slogan ideas for a brand that targets target audience and focuses on your niche. To create graphics, go to Ideogram.ai and type. Create a minimalist retro-style illustration of your product idea. Alternatively, Canva's AI text-to-image can do the same with visual drag-and-drop tools. Test multiple design versions and get feedback using social media polls or Reddit communities. Step 4. Source or print products on demand. You can launch without inventory by using print-on-demand services like Printful or Printify. These platforms let you upload your designs and create product mock-ups for t-shirts, mugs, hats, and more, without upfront costs. ChatGPT can help you research the best service using. Compare Printful, Printify, and Teespring for a startup merchandise brand. Include pricing, integrations, and shipping options. These services integrate directly with free e-commerce tools like Shopify Starter, Trial, Ecwid, or Big Cartel, which offers a free tier for up to 5 products. Step 5. Build your online store using free tools. To sell online, you need a store. Use Big Cartel, free for up to 5 products, or Square Online, offers a free plan to set up your shop. ChatGPT can help you write compelling content for your store. Use this prompt. Write homepage text for an online store that sells your niche to your target audience. The tone should be fun, youthful, and engaging. Also ask, create product descriptions for a product name, highlighting benefits, materials, and style in under 150 words. You can also use Durable.co, which has a free AI website builder that generates a one-page site based on a few keywords. Step 6. Develop a marketing strategy with free AI. Marketing is crucial for sales. Use ChatGPT to generate a marketing plan tailored to your merchandise business. Prompt. Create a marketing plan for a new online store that sells niche. Include free strategies like social media, influencer outreach, SEO, and email marketing. AI tools like Okoya or Buffer free tier can help generate and schedule social media content. Canva's free social media templates, paired with ChatGPT caption writing, can speed up this process. Prompt example for captions. Write 10 Instagram post captions promoting a new product from a niche merchandise store. Include humor and emojis. Step 7. Promote your store using free AI-powered platforms. Leverage free AI tools to create engaging promotional material. Use Lumen 5 AI Video Creator to turn your product descriptions into promotional videos. ChatGPT can help script these videos. Prompt: write a 30-second promotional video script for a quirky mug collection targeting college students. Also explore MailChimp free plan to set up email campaigns. Use ChatGPT for email content with a prompt. Write a welcome email for new subscribers to my niche merchandise store newsletter. Step 8. Use AI to handle customer service and FAQs. AI chatbots like Tidio, free plan, or Chatbase, free tier, let you create a simple AI chatbot trained on your FAQ and policies. You can feed it your business details, and it can automatically answer common customer questions. To create FAQ content with ChatGPT, use this prompt. Write a FAQ section for an online merchandise store that covers shipping, returns, order tracking, and sizing questions. Step 9. Track performance and use AI for optimization. Use Google Analytics to monitor your traffic. You can ask ChatGPT, explain how to read a Google Analytics traffic report for an online store. For ongoing improvements, try this prompt. Suggest 5 ways to improve conversions for a niche merchandise website with low cart checkout rates. You can also copy and paste social media data or website metrics into ChatGPT and ask it to analyze trends or recommend improvements. Step 10. Expand your product line and brand presence. As your business grows, you can use AI to help you test new product ideas and brand expansions. Ask, give me 10 new product ideas to expand a merchandise brand for target audience. You can even use AI to help pitch collaborations or apply for funding. Prompt: write an email pitch to a local influencer asking to collaborate on a product launch for my niche merchandise brand. By consistently using AI tools, you can streamline operations, increase your productivity, and stay competitive. Conclusion: starting a merchandise business has never been easier, thanks to the abundance of free AI tools available. From planning and design to marketing and customer service, AI can support nearly every stage of your business journey. The key is to combine your creativity with AI-powered efficiency. With consistent effort, smart use of technology, and a deep understanding of your audience, your merchandise brand can grow into a sustainable, profitable venture. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.